Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to add motion to the ad bar in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click Online Store. The themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In Filter Files, search for base.ss. You'll see a file named base.ss. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the end, you'll see a blank line. Skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link is in the description. We'll use the code from this page. Simply click the button to copy the code. The code will be copied after clicking. Back in Shopify, paste the code into the blank line with Ctrl+V. After pasting, click the Save button in the top right corner. The changes have been saved successfully. Now our store's announcement bar has a moving effect and animation. This animation loops endlessly even with longer text. You've now successfully completed this configuration. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.